just saw were created with AI. As you can see, they look so beautiful, crispy, they look like studio picture. That is because they're actually studio pictures, but AI studio pictures. It is not even every time you have to be in the comment section asking people to like send you prompt please, drop prompt, drop this, drop that. That is why I want to take my time today to teach you how you can be a prompt engineer without being a prompt engineer. Yes, a lot of us, we learned how to like craft this prompt, how to like write it from scratch, how to like make this prompting work. That is why you see our work coming out all beautiful like that. But then there is a shortcut. I know a lot of us love shortcut. So today I want to be giving you the shortcut you can use without having to go and pay for a class, without having to go for a course, without having to do this, without having to do that. You can still be a prompt engineer. That is by applying these 2 cheat codes I'm going to be telling you today. Are you ready for that? Let's get right into it. Meanwhile, this is the 8th of our 30 days AI video challenge. I know you had AI video and you are going to be like, AI video, well, why are we talking about AI prompt? Prompt is the thing you also need for your videos and also for your pictures. At the beginning of this video, yeah, you saw pictures, but then let me show you what I can still do with those pictures. So it is also part of our AI video class. Okay, it is also part of our AI video challenge, because today after this class you are going to still be getting your normal assignment. So you are going to be asking, why do I really need this information, since I'm mostly interested in the AI video, not the pictures? This is why you need it. You know, you can still want to like create something for your vlog, and for you to do that you need the picture. You need the picture to get the video, especially when you want to do something very, very creative. So in case you are wondering, why is Jamie adding this to this, I think it is very, very important. And for those people that will be coming to watch this video from Facebook, I want them to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So here are the 2 cheat codes you can use to become a prompt engineer without actually being a prompt engineer. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Number 1 is actually relying on someone's creativity. Yeah, everybody you see out there don't just think this thing by themselves. I'm not going to lie. A couple of things I create comes from the idea of another person. For example, I was going through the comment section one day and someone said, since Auntie Yudabasi has cooked public rice, everybody will be doing that now. And my comment was that it is not like they are copying her or they are imitating her or whatsoever. Sometimes we even have ideas. We think about ideas. Let me tell you, that idea you've been thinking about, there are a lot of other people thinking about that same idea. But the thing is that we don't know how to act on them. I can't possibly say we don't know how to act on them, but we don't just know how to start. A lot of us don't know how to start at all. So when someone do this thing, we'll be like, oh, this is something I thought about that day. We will just find the motivation, find the inspiration to pick it up from there. So that was my comment there, and that is what I want to be elaborating on. The first cheat code, like I said, is relying on somebody else's creativity. For example, you see a prompt online. There are a lot of creators who share free prompts for you. What you need to do is just like pick this person's prompt, take this same prompt to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to make this prompt very detailed and powerful, and to help you add some tweaks. ChatGPT, as wise as it is going to ask you, what do you want to add? What do you want to do this? What do you want to do that? And before you know, it has given you a lot of prompt, a lot of variation. You can generate those pictures, and if they are not looking the way you want, you can still take these pictures back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, oh, this is what I want to change. This is what I want to change. Please do this for me. And ChatGPT will still do this for you. Okay? Aside from ChatGPT being the old talker, writer, Google AI also talk too. Google AI is also a text AI. So a lot of people think it is just images Google AI generates. No, Google AI can hold meaningful conversations too. If you see a prompt anywhere, you can just pick this prompt, take it to ChatGPT or take it to Google AI Studio rather, and tell Google AI Studio to act as a professional prompt engineer and make these prompts powerful while giving you different variation. Before you know it, it has given you 5 to 10 different prompts. You can then pick those prompts, edit them, read through, then take those prompts back to that Google AI Studio and generate your pictures. Now, this is you using another person's idea, using another person's work to generate your own. I know you are going to be thinking, and the originality, this, that. No, it is not stealing at all. It is not you copying. When you see a picture, you like it, you might still want it, then you go for it. This is the number 1 cheat code. Number 2 cheat code is actually having a prompt book. I know you are going to be like, I don't really need a prompt book if I can do number 1. Yeah, you can do number 1, but then you can have both. It can be as taxi as anything. It can be some days you might not even see the free prompts to even pick. Some days people might show you a different picture and give you a different prompt. So if you have a prompt book, if you don't have that ability or that capacity to go and join a class for 10,000 naira or how much they are charging to like teach you how to prompt, you can get a prompt book. A prompt book can cost $1, $2, whatsoever. But then let me tell you how to effectively use a prompt book. Okay, when you get a prompt book, make sure you get a prompt book that is copy and paste. When you get a prompt book, you can first of all go through everything that is in that prompt book to know, okay, because many prompt book they explain to you, they show you a lot of prompt book, they show you, they describe the outfit and like they do so much. You can go through your prompt book. When you go through your prompt book, you are going to say a lot of different things, and then you can start using that. When you start generating pictures like this, you can then describe them the way you want. You can then tweak them. You can then do anything you want to do to them.
Here are strong, clear advantages of getting a prompt book, especially for creators like you who use AI for images, videos, writing, and content creation. 1. It saves you hours of trial and error. Instead of sitting down to think what prompt should I write, you simply open the book, copy a prompt, tweak a few lines, and boom, perfect results. No more wasted time, no more stress. 2. Your content becomes instantly more professional. Prompt books contain refined, high-performing prompts tested for storytelling, image generation, video direction, hooks, angles, aesthetics. Your output looks 10 times more polished. 3. You create consistently great content. No more random quality, no more depending on luck. A prompt book gives you structure, clarity, creative direction, consistent artistic identity, so your content looks unique and steady. 4. It gives you new ideas when your creativity is low, feeling stuck. Open the book. Instantly your mind starts spinning with scenes, angles, and concepts you would have never imagined alone. It becomes a creativity booster. 5. You learn how to speak AI's language. AI responds to detail, tone, structure, perspective, camera angles, lighting, language, composition. Prompt books teach you how to think like an AI artist, so even your own custom prompts become stronger. 6. You scale your content faster. If you're creating daily content, 30-day challenges, YouTube videos, Reels/TikToks, character portraits, ads, a prompt book helps you produce more in less time. Perfect for growing your brand fast. 7. You stand out. In a crowded AI space, everyone is using AI now, but not everyone is using powerful, structured prompts. A prompt book helps your images, videos, and scripts look unique, refined, and signature. 8. It gives you confidence. Instead of guessing, you know what to write, how to guide the AI, how to get exactly the look, vibe, and accuracy you want. Confidence makes your creative flow smoother. 9. It reduces frustration, bad results. Face changes in AI, low-quality images, confusing scripts. A good prompt book eliminates all that by giving you face-preserving instructions, outfit details, composition rules, step-by-step formatting. You get reliable results. 10. It helps you build a signature brand style. Over time, your prompts shape a unique visual and writing identity. This is how creators grow big pages, build audiences, make consistent visuals, establish a brand voice. A prompt book gives you the foundation for that.
So I just showed you the many reasons why you should get a prompt book. And now there is a prompt book I want you to get, and this is actually my birthday giveaway. For those people in my community, it is going to be absolutely free for them. These are just 160 prompts, 80 for the guys, 80 for the women. And the name of this prompt book is own a studio without owning a studio. So it is just for birthdays. To do your birthday shoots now, you have to spend on makeup, maybe 10,000, clothes, on this, on that. At the end of the day, you are spending more than 50,000 naira for just 3 pictures or 5 pictures. So I decided to sit down and craft all these super amazing prompts, and I have arranged them into a book to give you for just as like a little money actually. This is going to be my birthday giveaway to everyone. So the book is going to be live on my birthday. December 10th is my birthday, and you can get your copy. For those people who will be getting theirs on the 10th, it is going to be just 1,500 naira. It is 160 prompts for just birthdays. It is just birthday. And for those who will be getting theirs after that day, it is going to be 2,000 naira. So this is my birthday giveaway for everyone, okay? So you'll be like, what? Why should I get this prompt? The reason why you should get this prompt is that all those advantages I stated that every typical prompt book should have, you will find them. Like if you have this prompt book, or it covers all the stuff. And number two, a lot of you don't know what to do for people's birthday. I've seen a lot of prompt engineers that end up doing just casual shoots for clients' birthday. On this prompt book, it is just birthdays. It is just like birthdays, clothes for birthdays, pose, camera angle, hairstyle, makeup, just for birthdays. And the most super amazing part of this book is that it comes with pictures too. My previous prompt book didn't come with pictures because it is over 2,000 prompts, but this one, it comes with lots of pictures. The 160 pictures, they are attached to it. So anything you are creating, you are going to be seeing exactly how it is there. So from January, you can see how a lot of people are so keen to celebrating their birthdays, doing photo shoot and all that. Meanwhile, the real photo studio, they are charging maybe 5,000 per pictures or whatsoever. We are not comparing AI with the actual photographers, but I just want you to know that there is an alternative. For you who cannot afford 50,000 naira for a birthday shoot, this is an alternative for you, and I really do hope that you get this book while it is still at 1,500, and you create a lot of things. And when you get this prompt book, you are going to see that I made a list of camera angles on it. I also have a small tutorial on how you can even generate a picture from scratch. I also have a little tutorial inside this prompt book on how you can on a lot of other things. If you get this prompt book, you are going to see everything I'm saying inside. And now back to the video part of this. Prompting for your video is also very important. For those people that have been in this class from day 1 till day 7 until today, you've seen how we ask ChatGPT to give us prompts and create our videos. So now for today's lessons concerning the video part is that after creating this picture, you see that prompt you use in generating the picture, you can still pick this prompt, copy this prompt rather, take it to ChatGPT and get ChatGPT to analyze this prompt and also imagine how the picture comes out, and also give you a prompt that you can be using to animate the picture. And when you animate all your birthday pictures like this, you can use it to form a little vlog. You can use your voiceover. You saw my vlog, how a lot of people liked it. So you can use it with your voiceover and just tell, oh, today's my birthday, I'm super excited. I took pictures from the studio, I did this, I did that, I did that. You can see it is just like that. So let me show you an example right away, okay? So this is our ChatGPT. So everything I just explained to you just now, let me give you a practical. So we can just come to ChatGPT like this. Let's assume I don't even have any prompt to start with. I have nothing. I don't know anything. I just have the idea. I don't have anything to do. But having the idea is also a powerful thing. So let's ask ChatGPT something which will go like this. My birthday is soon and I want to generate images. So sorry about that. So I need you to give me a detailed prompt for a typical birthday shoot in a beautiful studio. The prompt should be very detailed. So we are just going to send that like that and wait for ChatGPT to like give us what we just requested for. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, drop a comment if you want to see more videos like this, and join us, join the classes. If you missed a couple of videos, all you need to do is just check the playlist. Everything you've missed, they are there. So you can see what ChatGPT is giving me. It is giving me the environment, the camera angle, the lighting, the pose, the outfit, the vibe, the aesthetic. Now, I just remember another reason why you should get this my birthday prompt book. That is because the prompt there, they are very, very detailed. Your ChatGPT cannot give you this type of prompt, especially if this is your first time. That is because I have trained mine. I have used this couple of days to train mine to give me all my next prompt like this. So if you get that prompt book, by the time you go in with 1 to 20 of the prompts inside the book, ChatGPT will not be like, oh, this is what she wants. And you can also update the ChatGPT memory. Every time you copy the prompt book, you copy a prompt from the prompt book and take it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to either change anything from the prompt. ChatGPT saves that in its memory. It begins to like, even without you telling it, it will start just like thinking, oh, this is what she wants. Since she has been giving me this prompt for days now, this is exactly how she wants her prompt to be. So even though you want to like own a studio without owning a studio, you should get this prompt book so that you can have detailed prompt like the one you are seeing on your screen, okay? And also you can also update your ChatGPT memory. All you need to do is just to like tell ChatGPT, update your memory. This is how you'll be creating all my prompts. No matter what I'm asking you to create, this is the format you'll be using. And trust me, you are good to go. So we are just going to like copy this. When we copy this, we take it to our, studio and we paste in the prompts. We put our pictures. Let me just edit everything. I copied it, like I didn't select the text from there. So we go in with our picture as always. Okay. Going with our picture, just allow it to load. We know how long it takes some time to load. Okay. While it is loading, I can just be going through the prompt. Like I said, I don't go through my prompts because I've trained my ChatGPT to be my personal assistant, online assistant, rather digital assistant. So anything ChatGPT gives me many times, 95% of time, to me, it's correct for me. So anything it just gives me, I just take it like that, okay? So let's just wait for it to load. This really do take time to load. So maybe we can come back when it is done. So after it has taken a lot of time, it has uploaded a picture. So let's just send it, okay? We are just going to send it like that. Why the picture is even generating? We can go back to that ChatGPT and we'll tell ChatGPT, I have generated this picture. Please give me a prompt to animate it. Okay? So it is going to provide you a prompt that you can use to like turn it into a video. Okay? And it is also going to show you the type of like the tools you can still use to like animate. Okay? Oh my god, you see how detailed this is? So for this one, I'm going to be copying it. Let me just copy the ones I need. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay. Okay, our picture is ready. Come on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I want to scream. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Now, what if you want to make this like this same air, the balloon, the dress, but for like maybe like 3 to 4? It is simple. All you need to do is to tell, I'm coming. Let's animate this first, okay? We move over to Grok, okay? We go to Imagine. Remember, I've already taught you all this. Insert our picture, okay? Oh, I look so good. You dey feel am? I look good. Then we'll go in with the prompt. You see, a very detailed prompt that ChatGPT gave us. Now, while this is loading, let me take you back. If you want this same shoot, like different scene, okay, this is what you are just going to tell ChatGPT. So let's edit this. What's it called? Let's edit this message, this one that says I have generated this picture. Let's say I love it. I need 2 more different poses. Okay, everything remains exactly the way it is, but the poses or maybe the camera angles should change. So don't always forget to ask, do you understand? So it can tell you if it doesn't, and you can like still describe. Okay, so this is another one, just a different prompt, a different post rather. Okay, it's exactly as vision 1. So this is what we have. This is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. So now that you have asked ChatGPT to give you different more, you can generate more and more and more and more and more, and that is just it. You have a mini vlog for your birthday. Like, you know, when people go to birthday studio, they'll go with a friend is videoing them and all that while they are posting and doing the rest of things. So since you don't have anybody to video you, you also do your video by yourself using this. Today I've shown you 2 things and I explained a couple of things for you. Okay, if you want to make life easy, own a studio. Without owning a studio, have money and all that, you can do everything I have just explained to you in this video, and I'm going to be putting my own video at the end of this video. Okay, so you can use this to start up like a part for yourself in January. Okay, since in January everybody is looking for what to like invest their time and energy into, so you can use this to start up something for yourself. Since I want you to start up something with this, I am also going to be giving you another trick tomorrow that you can also do with this. Okay, so this is you owning a studio. You can generate pictures for people, and after generating the pictures, you can still give them this animates for them, charge Many people charge 1,000 naira per picture. People charge 500 for the video. You can just be like, oh, it's a bonus if you book from 5. People would do it. Or you can charge for the video 1,000 naira, or anything you know you want, anything you know these services you are rendering what, you can leave it at that. So that is what I have for you today. For those of you that will be coming from Facebook, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more videos like this. This is day 8 and we've been doing a lot since like days ago. You can go through the playlist to see what we've been doing. It's literally AI video creation challenge, but since a lot of people are curious about these images I posted on Facebook, I decided to like do a class. Like, this is the class on how to like do your own images, and for tomorrow I'm also going to be doing another one like this, and I'll also give you another AI tool you can use for the animation. Okay, so subscribe to this YouTube channel. For those people that are in my private mentorship class, thank you so much, and I hope I've answered your questions, because a couple of you also asked questions there about this image thing. And secondly, if you want to join the private mentorship class, just text the number you are seeing on the screen. You are definitely going to be certified after this class. I'm waiting for you big time, and I'm waiting to see your big studio. Okay, don't forget to get the prompt book, and I love you. Stay safe out there. Bye bye.